Let's test the honk. Guys, how do you like this bike? How do you like the cockpit view? Fahren wir wieder rein? Und? Ja, passt, ja. Achso. Bitte, ja.
Du fährst auch gut mit der Maschine, 11.000 Kilometer eigentlich.
Wie sagst du?
11 Kilometer Schadplatz.
Ja. Wie sagst du?
Mit wie viel hast du geholt?
3,5.
3,5. Und jetzt hast du 11 noch. Selber vor dem 8.
Ja.
Du hast oben in den Rahmen gewechselt.
Hä?
In den Rahmen mal gewechselt. Nie! 8000 Kilometer und nie einen Rahmen. Putana! Jetzt nicht einmal 6 drauf. Der ist mehr als.
Ich fahre halt auch so und nicht so.
Modus oder magst du einen anderen Modus in die Haut?
Was sagst du?
Hast du Sport oder magst du ein bisschen aggressiv?
Ja, passt schon.
Das ist ein erster Traktor, wenn ich so denke. Also das wird so der erste Raten, oder?
Seitenständer. Ah ja. Ah, gerade euch gekugelt. Muss neutral rein. Muss ich neutral. Neutral. Weiß der Haar. Ich bin ja richtig hart. Ich bin gleich groß wie du.
Das ist total hart, ne?
Ja.
Perfekt für mich.
Ja.
Perfekt für meine Rad. Alles gut.
Alter, ist das komisch. Oh. Okay guys, welcome back. I'm on the Superduke. And I have to say it drives really strange in comparison to mine. It's really high. Quick shifter, not so smooth like mine. A little bit more on the aggressive side. In terms of power, we're the same, but the handling is really strange. Like when you lean a little bit, it instantly wants to turn the handlebar. Sadly, you do not hear the sound since I don't have my backpack with me. I had to return it. Nice weather today. We got the Superduke Pro on my bike and the V4S rider. Heated grips. Where do I put those? It's really strange what I can do. I'll ask him later, because if I'm not mistaken, it has heated grips. So, please tell me these campers won't stay here for long. I want to surpass them. Alright, one gone. Okay, the brakes are... Oh, the seat is very slippery, I have to say, right away. power is here, but it's not. It's quite strange. It has power and everything, but somehow it doesn't kick in that directly. I'll ask him later what if there are settings for that. Alright. Everything's clear now. There's a lot of input lag, so I need to twist the throttle a little bit more than on mine, but other than that, 90 in first gear. It only goes to 10,000 RPM. Other than that, it feels quite nice right now, but it's actually really strange to ride. Alright, it's really strange to ride it. In the turns, it's similar to the KTM Duke 990, just a little bit smoother. But the feeling in the turns is still a little bit strange for me. 16:44. In 2 hours I need to be home, and the trip we're on right now takes at least 1 hour of straight riding. But we have planned at least one stop, and in 2 hours I need to be home and not at the garage. But I guess in 2 hours I will only reach the garage. So I will be late again, once again. But where are the heated grips? God damn. Reset. Maybe I need to get into the menu. I don't want to mess with any of the settings, since they are bro settings, so I don't know. But heated grips, he told me that he has them. I just don't know how to activate them. I guess it will become obvious later on. But for now, I quite enjoy the bike. I'm getting used to the bike. When I started the video, it was the first time I sat on this bike. Since last time I was with him, the bike was still limited, since he hasn't done the break-in, but now it's broken in. It has almost 3,000 kilometers. He got it with a few hundred kilometers, so in 1 or 2 months he made about 2,500 kilometers. That's not bad. Clutch is kind of strange in my opinion. It feels hard, and the release point is very, very far out. So when I wanted to start, I released the clutch, but the clutch released only at the last 5% of me holding it. So that's quite strange. Sound wise, it's quite nice. It's not so loud as mine. It doesn't have the power like mine, but in theory it has the Newton meters. So it is quite strong. It should accelerate a little bit faster than mine, I believe. And yeah, it's really nice to ride a bike like this. Aston Martin Rapid. As how do you like this bike? How do you like the cockpit view? Do you enjoy it? I believe it's quite a lot here at Twin Towers. Little joke. Yeah, there's a lot of buttons. I don't understand what to press. Let's test the honk. Cute. Alright. The Street Fighter looks awesome. Right. I think I figured it out with the clutch. Yeah. I guess you can adjust the clutch, how it feels when it hits, when it gets released. But stock, I don't like it. I don't like how it feels. Other than that, I really enjoy it. I have to say I like the sound of mine a lot better, and that's my opinion. So everyone can have his own opinion. I love the sound of mine a lot more. I don't say I hate the sound, but it's not mine. I'm sure I'm not using the bike to its full potential. I know it can do a lot more, but I simply am a little bit not scared, but I don't want to destroy the bike of my friend. And yeah. And it's quite cold. I know I didn't saw the reading, but I guess it's around 10 degrees out here. 10 degrees Celsius. Not Fahrenheit, or what do you use? There's a camper. I believe. Fahren wir drei. Und? Verjagen wir noch ein paar. Alright. We're on a mission. Hey! Hey! Ja, passt, ja. Achso. Bitte, ja.